Hi, this is Rasan Mahmood. Today I have complete simulation from the multisim version is 4.2. This is our experimental. As you can see, this name is combinational logic circuit. We have done one of our experiment. This is the 74LS248D. That's mean that this is the decoder and this is the package 7 package register, and here is also a package register, and here is the display, and here is the package switch. So how to collect them? Click here, please basic, and then we need to find out first switch and click. Here is, as you can see, DSWPK76543, like that. I selected this 7 and then click here and place here and close it, and uh, mouse right button click and then rotate clockwise 19 degree, and then you can connect with this decoder. So I don't need this, just I show how to collect this component from here. You can search power supply and power source. We need to digital ground, this one also I put here. As you can see here, all is digital ground, like that. So I don't need this one, just I show this display, and then uh, run this project, and then it's run, and we need to put, here is the input, here is the high, and then um, A B C D also we can also put high. Let's see what happened when I put this high on 4, and this one is low and totally closed. So like that you can input the value like this, where mm, sorry, here is the input value, this one, right? mm, we need to first one is, suppose that second one is, you need to put there. A is high and another all is high, RBL high and LT is high, and then A is high. Let's see this one. So my result is, you can find like that result.